In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Trello. Sometimes your board can get a little cluttered with old or unused lists, and cleaning them up helps keep your workflow clear and focused. Trello doesn't let you delete a list in a single click directly from the board, so you have to go through a short process that starts with archiving and then permanently deleting. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to your Trello board, the one that contains the list you want to remove. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you're on the right board, because we'll be making a permanent change. Once your board is open, locate the specific list you want to delete. On that list, look toward the top right corner of the list itself. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots. This is the list menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up more options related to that list. This is where Trello keeps actions like moving, copying, and archiving lists. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Archive this list and click it. Archiving removes the list from your board view, but it is not yet permanently deleted. Think of archiving as a safe first step in case you change your mind. Next, we'll move to the board level menu. At the very top right corner of your Trello board, you'll see another set of 3 dots that opens the board settings and tools. Click on those 3 dots to open the board menu. In this menu, find and click on Archived Items. This section contains everything you've archived on this board, including both cards and lists. By default, you may see archived cards first. At the top of the Archived Items view, there are filters that let you switch between cards and lists. Click on Lists so that Trello only shows the lists you've archived. Now, find the list you just archived. To the right of that list, you'll see a small bin or trash can icon. When you click this icon, Trello will permanently delete the list. Confirm the deletion if Trello asks. Once this is done, that list and its cards are gone from your board for good, so be sure you no longer need the information before you delete it.